Welcome, guys, back to the yard. Okay, so we're working on an Escalade, right? Yeah, that's what we're doing today. A little bit. Work on this fender. Okay, let's do that. Let's work on the fender. This is what the Escalade gotta carry. Chrysler, I don't think can carry it, so. But here we have it, guys. I'm gonna try to straighten this out a little bit. I really don't know how straight this is supposed to be. I don't have a clue, because we can try to pull it. Rhyme. Yeah, we can try to pull it. But you know this part wasn't straight. I know that. I don't have all my tools like I used to have. I don't know where they're at. I know this ain't what you're supposed to use. But I'm going to start pulling this back. Okay, this is not what you're supposed to use, so don't judge me. That's what I'm saying. Right there, what I'm saying. We don't know. But this can't come up flat. It just can't. There ain't no way this can be flat. Ain't no way that can be flat. Let me look at this thing. On the passenger side over there. I can't really even see it over here like that. You can see it a little bit. See it a little bit, but we know it gets straighter than this. Let's see. Let's try to see if we can force it up. Can't do too much, but whoa. I'm messing up my goddamn paint job. Hold on. Put that back there like that. Protect that paint. Okay. Now let's see. Let's see if it'll even start moving. It's moving, but it ain't over that way. You can tell this is supposed to be that way. You can look at that. Tell it's supposed to be that way. Okay? You can tell that. So, oh Lord. Yeah, that supposed to be that way. And it looks like, because this can't get pulled straight up. Okay? Can't get pulled straight up. It's impossible. See? I should have went and looked at the dumpster. You know? like it's supposed to go somewhere like that. Time to see how. Look like it should be. I don't know. I gotta look at the fender and see, because guys, I think I'm gonna have to buy a new fender. I think I'm gonna have to buy a new fender. I gotta look at my Suburban and see how it goes with this. At first I thought all of it would be flat, but then look at this. You can tell that ain't gonna be flat. This is shaped like this. This is the shape. Hold on. I gotta get my test. Let's look at this real quick. See how this fender supposed to look. See how this thing is supposed to look. This is crappy. It's a crappy video, I know. It's still bad. Okay. Oh, God. see him. Okay. Oh man, come on. That's not a good picture. Oh Lord. That is supposed to be flat. That's supposed to be flat. This is supposed to be flat. All the way around. Around here. It's supposed to be flat. That is supposed to be flat. That is actually supposed to be flat for real. Okay, this, see that, see that hook. Oh Lord. This is not good. Okay. Oh Lord. We need 12 minutes in. So let's try to straighten it all out. Let's try to straighten it out. See how that supposed to look. We might have to buy a new fender, guys. Yeah, we might have to buy a new one. Okay. Might have to buy a new fender. This needs to be banged out a lot. Yeah. Man. Might have to buy a new fender. Might not, but I don't know. I don't know. I think this is pretty damaged. See, this gotta get pushed out this way. Might have to get a new fender. Unfortunately. Probably use this, but it'll never be right. Probably use it, but it'll never be really, it'll never be right. That's too much of a sharp sharp piece right there, so you know this got to come flatten out this way some. Hate doing this stuff on camera. Show the world how I make a fool out of myself, huh? Yes. There you go, guys. There you go. Next time you see it, it's gonna be perfect. It's not gonna be perfect. It's not gonna be perfect. That's all we're gonna do with that for right now. This front down here, this piece. This is the piece that really needs work. Unfortunately, it's the end of this video, so we won't be seeing it in this one. I don't know. I might do it off camera. Okay, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one when we are again in the yard. The yard 2. Not 1, 2. Peace.